Hey guys, join me in this 5-minute beginner ab workout routine. Now the workout format includes 7 ab exercises completing over a duration of 40 seconds per exercise. Now the first exercise we're going to complete is the flutters. So you're going to keep your legs straight, flatten your legs up and down and engage in your core as tight as you can. Please guys, make sure to smash that like button. This really helps this video to reach to more audiences. And if you're enjoying this workout, please comment below. Let me know how you found this workout. Appreciate you guys. Next up, we have the crunches. So what you're going to do is put your hands behind your head, knees bent, and you're just going to come up a quarter of the way, crunching your abs as tight as you can, and repeat. Very important, guys. When completing this exercise, make sure you engage your abs as tight as you can at peak contraction so that you get the best out of it. Next up, we got the roll-ups. So you're going to place your hands on your thighs and you're literally going to roll your hands up to the top of your knee, engage in your abs as tight as you can, and we're coming back down to repeat. Again, make sure you're controlling the movement as you roll up your thighs to the top of your knee and engage your abs as tight as you can. Next up, we got the cross leg crunch. You're going to place one leg crossed against the other leg, and you're just going to bring your legs in while simultaneously crunching. You're really going to feel this one in your abs, guys. Make sure when coming to peak contraction to really engage your abs. Next up, we got the bent leg claps. So what you're going to do, bending the knees, you're going to bring your hands towards each other, making a clap motion and coming back and repeating. Very important, guys. Make sure you're breathing as you're doing these exercises. Try not to hold your breath. Next up, guys, we've got the alternate leg raise. So you're going to bring both legs up, bring one leg down at a time. Very important, guys, when completing this exercise, try to keep your legs as straight. If you cannot do that, having a slight bend in your legs is okay, as long as you're bringing your legs all the way down. Try not to touch the ground. Next up, guys, we've got the plank knee taps. Now with this exercise, you want to make sure that your body is nice and straight while in the plank. And what you're going to do is bring your knee down, both knees to touch the ground and back up. Thank you guys once again for joining in on this workout. If you stayed to the end, well done. Guys, again, don't forget to smash that like button and let me know how you found this workout in the comment section below. Peace and love.
Well done for completing today's workout. You smashed it.